Perkenalkan, nama saya Mas Haram dari kelas 11 dari JKT1. Blood moon. A blood moon is the popular name for a total lunar eclipse, a celestial event where the moon turns a deep reddish color. This phenomenon occurs when the Earth passes directly between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. What causes a blood moon? A blood moon's striking color is a result of ray-like skirting, the same skirting principle that makes Earth's sky appear blue and our sunrise and sunset red. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon is completely within the Earth's darkest shadow, known as the umbra. However, it doesn't disappear from view. Instead, the only sunlight reaching the moon first passes through its atmosphere. As the sunlight filters through our atmosphere, the shooter blue wavelengths of light are scattered away. The longer red and orange wavelengths pass through, get bands reflected, and are projected onto the moon's surface. This process gives the moon its characteristic crimson glow. The exact shade of red can vary depending on atmospheric conditions, such as the amount of dust, volcanic ash, or color or clouds in Earth's air. Viewing a blood moon. Unlike a solar eclipse, a blood moon is entirely safe to observe with the naked eyes. No special equipment is needed, though binocular or a telescope can provide a more detailed view of the lunar surface during the event. The best conditions for viewing are a clear, cloudless sky and a location with minimal light pollution. Historical and cultural signification. 4 centuries before the scientific explanation was widely understood, blood moons were often viewed as a month. Different cultures interpreted the event in various ways, from sight of divine anger to celestial battles. In some historical accounts, like that of Christopher Columbus, knowledge of a coming lunar eclipse was even used to manipulate people. However, today, a blood moon is celebrated as a predictable and beautiful astronomical event, a stunning reminder of the mechanics of our solar system. For centuries, a total lunar eclipse or blood moon has been a source of fascination, fear, and wonder, inspiring a rich tapestry of myth and folklore across different cultures. Before modern science offered an explanation for the moon's sudden change in color, people developed stories to make sense of the celestial event. Often viewing is an omen or supernatural occurrence. The moon under attack. One of the most common myths is that a celestial creature is attacking Earth devouring the moon. This belief often led to rituals designed to scare the monster away and save the moon. Inca, South America. The Inca believed a lunar eclipse was caused by a jaguar attacking and eating their moon goddess, Mamaquilla. The red color was thought to be the moon's blood. To frighten the jaguar away, people will shout, bang drums, and encourage their dogs to howl. Chinese Ancient Chinese culture believed a dragon was beating the moon. To save it, people would make loud noise by banging drum and ringing bells. This belief was too deeply ingrained that in the 19th century, the Chinese Navy would even fire its artillery during a lunar eclipse. Hindu atau or India. In Hindu mythology, the demon Rahu is said to swallow the moon as revenge. Rahu was described by the god Vishnu, but because he had already consumed the nectar of immortality, his head became immortal. During an eclipse, his head devours the moon, but since he has no body, the moon soon replaces omen of misfortune. In many cultures, a blood moon was seen as a bad moment, a sign of impending disaster, war, or famine. Mesopotamians. The ancient Mesopotamians were skilled astronomers and could predict eclipses with some accuracy. They believed a lunar eclipse was an attack on the moon, which was linked to their king. To protect the king from harm, they would hide him and appoint a substitute to face the potential wrath of the gods. After the eclipse passes, the, the real king will become his position. Biblical property. In Christianity, the blood moon is a term that gained modern popularity from religious prophets. Passage in the Old and New Testament describe the moon turned to blood as a sign of the end time, or the great and terrible day of the Lord. Other common superstitions. Many superstitions and folk beliefs persist today, often passed down to generations despite a lack of scientific evidence. Pregnancy and healthy. In various cultures, it is believed that a lunar eclipse can be harmful to pregnant women and their unborn children. Superstition including avoiding going outdoors, using sharp objects, or eating to prevent birth defects or their health problems. 2. Food and water contamination. Some tradition holds that food and water become poisoned or impure during a lunar eclipse and shall not be consumed. Bad luck. The event is often linked to general bad luck, misfortune, or natural disaster, such as earthquakes and floods. Wilson has explained the beauty of a blood moon. This myth and tradition remain a fascinating part of human history, reflecting our ancestors' attempt to understand and find meaning in the mysteries of the cosmos. Sekian video dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.